Hello friends, today we will discuss even CB reaction. So write down even CB reaction. It is read as unimolecular elimination via conjugate base. Unimolecular elimination via conjugate base. Reaction. Conditions for even CB reaction. Write down condition for even CB reaction. Minus M effect Chauvin group as well as at least one H atom must be present at the same beta carbon atom. Then on heating such compound gives even CB reaction. This is the condition for even CB reaction. Now we can consider an example. N double bond O, or we can consider simple example CHO, CHH, CH2, Cl. This is leaving group. It may be poor Lg or good Lg. The leaving group, the carbon atom on which leaving group is present is called as alpha carbon, and the near adjacent to the alpha carbon is called as beta carbon. At this beta carbon, this is minus M effect Chauvin group, and this is 1H also on the same beta carbon atom. On heating, this acidic H will be removed. This is acidic H. So H, C, double bond O, CH, negative charge, lone pair, CH2, Cl. Now this negative charge of carbon is resonance stabilized through the pi bond of CHO minus N group. These are two lone pairs on oxygen atom. Now second step. This is first step. First step is slow, so it is rate determining step. This is second step. Second is fast and it is not rate determining. Delta plus, delta minus. Electronegativity of chlorine is greater than carbon. Therefore, electron cloud of sigma bond will be attracted toward this chlorine atom, due to which delta plus charge is created on this carbon. Now, lone pair to bond pair and bond pair to lone pair. H, C, double bond O, CH, double bond CH2 plus Cl minus this negative charge, this is acid, its conjugate base is anion intermediate, negatively charged anion intermediate, and this is product. In product, the pi bond formed is resonance stabilized with this pi bond of CHO. The negative charge of conjugate base CHO CH minus CH to Cl is stabilized through resonance lone pair to bond pair and bond pair to lone pair. HCO minus charge, double bond CH, single bond CH to Cl. So anion is formed easily. This is acidic H because negative charge of anion is resonance stabilized. Second step is very fast because pi bond formed in the product is resonance stabilized. This is reactant, this is intermediate, and this is product. Reactants and products are comparatively more stable than anion intermediate, that is conjugate base. So more stable converts into less stable, slow step, less stable converts into more stable, fast step. The slowest step in the mechanism is rate determining step. In rate determining step, only one molecule is being used, so this is called as unimolecular reaction. HCl molecule is being eliminated. HCl molecule is being eliminated, therefore called as elimination reaction. Thus overall it is called as unimolecular elimination via conjugate test. This was all about even CV reaction. Thank you.